Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. This is Code with Victor, and today we'll be doing the fourth prompt of problem set 0, which is Einstein. I will quickly open the prompt, and the prompt reads: even if you haven't studied physics, you have heard of E is equals to mc squared, whereby E represents energy that is measured in joules, and m represents mass measured in kilograms, and c represents the speed of light, which is approximately 3 million meters per second per Albert Einstein. In a file called Einstein, implement a program in Python that prompts the user for mass as an integer in kilogram, and then output the equivalent number of joules as an integer. Assume that the user will input that as an integer. So what you're going to do, first of all, we are going to create a file called Einstein by just writing code einstein.py. Once we have done that, we are going to come up with a variable, call it mass, and say that mass is equals to, and say mass, we are going to convert it into an integer. Then we are going to ask for an input from the user. Then we are going to say enter the mass in kilograms, like that. We can close that. Then next we are going now to, we have been given the speed of light, sorry, this is Python, the speed of light. So the speed of light, we are going to just copy this from the prompt. We're going to copy this from the prompt and paste it here, like that. Like that. Then what we are going to do, we are going now to take the formula, which is energy, or E, is equals to mass, which we had already initialized up there, times the speed of light times the speed of light, which is also up there. Then we are going to raise that to power 2. Then we are going to say, we are going now to print the energy. So that should work. Now we are going now to come here. We are going now to run the program. Let's use 45. Sorry. Here. Let's use 45. You can see the output that you are getting. So we can just check and see whether this is alright. So we will just use the check 50 CS50 stroke. Let me just check it. Problems stroke 2022 stroke Python stroke Einstein. We can check whether that is okay. It is initializing as it checks for the results to ascertain whether the results are okay. We should get greens, all greens, if the results are okay. So it's just going to load in a few, so we can wait for the same as the process progresses. There we go. It should be done by now. You can see that it's okay. So thank you for taking your time. This is problem set 0. So kindly share, comment, and even subscribe to my channel. Thank you.